that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I got go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Because you want me, cause I got the dope. Pass that girl right on my freak, here we go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. Yeah.
Whoa. That's how we're feeling. That's how we're starting the day. I'm just gonna start my intro. What's up? This is day 7. We've been in Vegas for a full week. Day 4 of the SEMA show, last day of the SEMA show of 2024. As much as I bitch and complain, we've been having an awesome week. The content has been crazy, the opportunities, the networking, just everything about the trip has been a success in my opinion. And being tired and being run down and being just everything. What are you doing over here? Helicopter. Everything about the trip has been a success. The grind and the hustle and just being absolutely just stomped into the ground physically and just mentally is part of it. You know what I mean? That's why we're here. We're doing this for you guys so we can have these memories and we can have these videos. So we can have these videos for years and years to come, and we can put them in a playlist, which they all will be in a playlist. So if you guys want to see all the videos together, there will be a SEMA 2024 playlist so you can watch every day consecutively, back to back to back. I love you guys so much for showing love to the content. Views have been good, engagement has been good. The Instagram's been going crazy this week. 102,000 on YouTube today. We hit 102, and I'm forever grateful. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the day, enjoy the video. Let's get this bread. Final day of the show. Been good vibes this morning. Been hanging out in the booth for a couple hours. Ran into Dustin LBZ this morning, so shout out to Dustin. I got my boy Q out here with me. We're watching a couple burnouts. You guys with Ride? Shout out to Ride Motorsports for the view today. Never met these guys, but they're just, you made my whole day, to be honest with you. I really appreciate you guys for allowing us to watch the burnouts out here. Never met Q before. Wanted to show love to Q one time. We're gonna do some walk-arounds with him today. Q's got a big YouTube channel. Make sure you guys go show some love. I got Eli on the camera for me today. And what? Are you ready? You ready? Hold on. Give me 1 second. A little behind the scenes for you. Eric's trying to get a shot of the back of the KG1 shirt with the train that's going by.
Strap it in the front bars, and she's gonna go for a ride, baby.
The coolest thing about Eric is he films everything landscape, so I get to go back to the Airbnb. Hey, I gotta show love to Eric every time because my videos this whole trip would be nothing without Eric. So
no, but I'm charging him.
yeah, he's getting a hell of a royalty after this one. So we're gonna do some walk-arounds. We're gonna watch some burnouts. Hope you guys enjoy the content today. Let's get this bread.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Nigga, you want me cause I got the dough. Pass that girl right on my friend, give it go. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah, I hit it slow. But by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. These niggas mad cause I got all the dough. Changing my style cause I got every flow. Got every girl, ain't no top in my hose. I understand that it's your girlfriend, bro, but you know I gotta keep her close. I'll be a Lex and I keep her close. Living life on the edge, on the tightrope. I am so clean, I might start moving so. Try the new Rari, I don't need to know. Try the Bugatti like it's a bubble. I had your girl and you already know. Don't really like her, we friends for the most. Cube in the truck, all on my chill. Don't leave a crumb, got the bread in your toast. If you start touching my gun, got no host. I put a coat on the top of my coat. Only 20 minutes before the show. I met that girl right up at my show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes until I'm on. 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 Yeah, I am not slow.
I gotta throw the collabs in the video one time.
Yeah,
look,
crazy.
Look at this group.
Right
we got AO Drip.
Ayo Jimmy.
Hey, we got AO Drip. We got PJ Truckin'. We got Chris. We got I met you yesterday. Dom. I even followed him on Instagram today too. Me up, man.
Big Dom.
The boy.
Oh.
And we got James, the man over here. Daddy.
Too much followers right now.
Yo.
Way too many followers right now.
Hey yo, Drip. Hey yo.
Hey.
Every year at Sema on Friday night, once the show is over, there is a cruise, and every vehicle that's at the show cruises out of the Civic Center together, or the Convention Center together. So everything this way, everything inside, all of the inside buildings, everything outside, all cruises out. You got thousands of people that line up to be able to watch all the vehicles leave the show. Very hectic, very blessed to be able to hop in the back of a truck, see it from up high instead of, you know, having to watch. But gotta get the content however you can, you know what I mean? My boy kicking it with Q right there. Hey Q! Hey!
I'm in the trunk.
Technically, yes.
When you got to use the bathroom and you're taking rollers.
It looks good. We're lit over here. Hey, we lit over here for sure. Hey, yo.
What's up, brother?
Hey, that ain't that LSX media, is it?
Hold on.
Hold on. Hey, yo.
Is that Alex?
Hey, that ain't his cousin, is he? Too. Look, I know he's eating, okay, but it's a yearly tradition for us to come to the Chick-fil-A. Hugh beat us to the Chick-fil-A today, so we got Sean over here, we got everybody in the detail lot waiting for us outside. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna ride the strip.
It's Brad, baby!